Alright, so we're going to be making some creamy mashed potatoes. I'm going to use these russet potatoes. I'm also going to be using some freshly picked parsley, as well as some evaporated milk, salt, and cream cheese. So let's get started. I know a lot of people like to peel their potatoes, but I'm going to keep my salt on. I'm just going to wash them really good, scrub them really good. These are the potatoes I'm going to use, about six. Six should be good. I'm going to wash them. So I'm getting them clean. These are already scrubbed, I think. Yes, I'm not seeing much dirt on them. So after I do this, I'm going to start chopping them up in pieces. Boil it just, boil them, I should say, just like that. Now that I have drained the water out, I'm going to add some, oh no, it's bubbling up, milk. Mash through the potato masher. It's going to be soaking up quite a lot of this milk. And now I'm going to add my parsley, also some salt to taste, and my cream cheese. I may add a little black pepper too. Alright, so we're adding our parsley. I think I should have added more parsley, so I might go and get the dry one. Okay, now I'm going to add my happy cow. Alright, so this is my cream cheese. Okay, it smells kind of milky-ish. Just going to scoop it out into my potatoes. Not all, but a lot. And then I'll taste it to see if I have to add any more salt. You can see how creamy it's getting already. I'll just it's super creamy and the taste. And this is what the creamy potatoes is like. So everybody knows, guys. And that's it. So I'll put some in a bowl and sprinkle something over it.